Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're not going to talk about the Subaru behind me. That's one thing for another video. We're gonna restore this one just a little bit, so remove all the rust and whatnot. But that's not why you're watching this video. You're watching this video because we changed something really funny. It's not my car this time. I wanted to change it on my car, but I wasn't sure how loud it's gonna be. So I choose to stay within certain limits of street regulations. So that's why it's not my car. I'm talking about the blow-off. I'm gonna show you a link to the video we made about the blow-offs. We changed mine to another one, or an upgraded one from Turbosmart. It's just the closed one, not the dual port. Mine is fully recirculating, so like stock, and that's why there's no additional noise. So yeah, it's like stock, just a little bit upgraded. But a friend of mine decided to go with the open or the dual port one. It's a little bit loud and you can't really drive it that it doesn't show off. Even without any boost, so with just a little bit of throttle, it just really blows out and it is really, really loud. I think it sounds great, but within certain street regulations in Switzerland, it's kind of hard to drive this one on the road. So for me, it would be too much for on the road, but if you're going to the track or live in a country with a little bit less regulations than Switzerland, I would certainly buy one and install one because it sounds absolutely fabulous and you feel remembered to the old days. Now it just sounds like a proper rally car. If you live in a country that has less regulations than Switzerland, go for it, buy one and be happy with it. I won't. So without any more talking, I'm gonna show you how it sounds, and this is how it sounds.
Fahrst einfach normal los, oder?
So, as you heard, it sounds pretty impressive. If you want one for the road, I think it's a little bit much if you have to stay within certain limits of regulations, but if you are free to do whatever you like to the car, go for it. And if you drive the car on the track, then you may be doing it as well. In the beginning, we had some errors. So the car showed up some errors. We thought it might get some red flags, which it did, but we could remove them or delete them. And the car, I don't know why, but I think the car learned how to live with it because there's no further errors anymore. So good to go. Yeah. That was a short video of it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Let me know in the comments, write me an email, as you do sometimes. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good one. Goodbye.